this, but I'll give it a try anyways. So radish is on there?
Edible flowers, yep.
So
yeah, it's pretty good.
on your bill with your hat in the back. Flour in it. Look at that. She's good.
Is this like whipped cream or something?
Yeah. So it's worth. I'm not sold on the spoon bread. All right, so we still say check out. All right, guys, we just hit the citrus blossom. What we have here: yuzu marinated hearts of palm and avocado magnitude brewing company lemon Hefeweizen. Yeah. And then I've got the orange sunshine. Good. Amazing. I don't know what these little drops are. The sun's just beating down on you. There's no shade around here. Oh. I'll let Melissa give it a try though.
Lobster goodness over here.
Might be a little bougie. Stick the finger out.
I'd say probably it's really good. You don't get
It kind of kills any chance of tasting anything else sweet.
It's
the Hefeweizen?
No,
the one in the middle you're about to pick up.
This is good.
And if you guys can't tell, if you just glance over Melissa's shoulder, you get to see.
Honestly, this is probably.
That gives you an opportunity to try all three beers that they have at the citrus bar. 6 and 8 ounce? 6 and 12 ounces, your two. So cheers to Disney cast members.
Cheers.
This is our view from our little, we're in the shade with a great view. It's nice to relax. So we didn't record any video of that right at 5 o'clock. Got a seat at the bar. Got to see an amazing sunset. So we just got back to, So I'm gonna flip the camera around, kind of around and show you guys the macaroon. And this is the macaroon. Next to us is Remy and bathrooms, but you can't get further than that. So it's been fast enough to get a theme park reservation for Epcot Magic Kingdom, but we will be here on October 1st.
I already did.
Oh, sorry. What else? Stuff attached to it. Thing for you. It's very tasty.